Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. In today's video, we're talking about the health benefits of a plant-based diet. But before we dive in, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end. We promise it will be worth it. So now, let's talk about the health benefits of a plant-based diet. First of all, it's important to define what we mean by a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet is primarily centered around whole, unprocessed plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It can also include small amounts of animal products, such as eggs and dairy, but the focus is primarily on plant-based sources of nutrients. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of this type of diet. Studies have shown that following a plant-based diet can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. This is likely due to the fact that plant-based diets are typically high in fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds, which can help to lower inflammation and improve overall health. But a plant-based diet isn't just about preventing chronic diseases. It can also help with weight management, as plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat compared to animal-based foods. Plus, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods can help to improve digestion, boost energy levels, and support a healthy immune system. One of the main reasons a plant-based diet is associated with reduced chronic disease risk is because it is typically high in fiber. This is important because fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements, lower cholesterol levels, and maintain a healthy weight. It's also been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Plant-based diets are often rich in antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds, such as phytochemicals and flavonoids. These substances help to protect the body against harmful free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation and disease. By consuming a diet rich in these nutrients, you can help to support your body's natural defenses against illness. Some people may be hesitant to try a plant-based diet because they're concerned about getting enough protein. However, it's important to note that there are plenty of plant-based protein sources available, including beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. In fact, the World Health Organization recommends that at least 10% of our daily calorie intake come from plant-based protein sources. It's also worth mentioning that a plant-based diet can be beneficial for the environment. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By shifting towards a diet that is primarily plant-based, you can help to reduce your environmental impact. Finally, it's important to remember that a plant-based diet doesn't have to be all or nothing. Even if you're not ready to fully commit to a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, there are still ways to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet. Start by adding a few vegetarian meals to your weekly meal plan, or try replacing one serving of animal protein with a plant-based option each day. Every little change can make a big difference. So, if you're interested in reaping the many health benefits of a plant-based diet, where do you start? Here are a few tips to get you started. Number 1. Incorporate a variety of whole, unprocessed plant foods into your meals. This could include things like leafy greens, berries, beans, nuts, and seeds. Number 2. Experiment with plant-based protein sources, such as tofu, tempeh, and lentils. Number 3. Don't be afraid to try new plant-based recipes and flavors. There are so many delicious and creative plant-based meals out there, you're sure to find something you love. Number 4. If you're concerned about getting all the nutrients you need on a plant-based diet, consider speaking with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to help you plan a well-balanced meal plan. So, there you have it, some of the many health benefits of a plant-based diet. We hope this information has inspired you to give a plant-based diet a try. Remember, every little change you make towards a healthier lifestyle can make a big impact on your overall well-being. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.